Today in this video I'm gonna explain Xiaomi Redmi 10C how to hard reset. Turn off your smartphone by holding the power button for a few seconds. Once it's off, simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power keys for a few seconds. Release the power button when you see the Redmi logo. Let go of the volume up button when recovery mode appears on the screen. Use the volume buttons to navigate and select wipe data and then wipe all data. Confirm by pressing the power key. Select confirm from the menu and press the power button. Return to the main menu and choose reboot. Finally, select reboot system using the power button. You have successfully performed a hard reset. Once the reset is complete, your phone will be restored to its factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.